Hi guys, welcome back to another LNER377 video. Today we've just got another little bit of an update on the layout. Quite a bit has been done, so I'll take you through that, and then we'll have a bit of a running session with the class 33 there and the class 47. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so the thing that's been done for this video is we've actually sorted out the other room. As you can see, we've got a tunnel cut there, and eventually, well, hopefully soon, I'm going to get some track to come and connect to there where there's a join. So we're going to have to remove all of this. This is going to get lifted up hopefully today, after I made this video, as I just wanted to sort of do a video of the trains running on this section for the final time, because we have actually sorted the baseboards and everything out for in there. And of course we've cut another tunnel out for here. There's sort of a bit of an issue with this tunnel. For some reason there's a little bit of a raise to the baseboard on the other side. I'm not quite sure why, but maybe this one's a bit too low. But yeah, so we've cut that. Yeah, we've just got to buy some more flexible track just so we can connect it up to here, because there is actually sort of a bit of a kink. Don't know if you can notice that, but yeah. Okay, so in the other room then, as you can see, this has been fully done now. We've made these baseboards. I think they're about, I can't quite remember, it's about 400mm wide, I think. But yeah, they go round all the way to there, and you can sort of see the track plan that we've got going. So we've got this bit of flexible track, so they'll come out there, and we're going to get this as close to this wall as we can, because here is going to be a modelling desk, and we'll probably get something to come down over the track so it just gives more space. So yeah, that should be good. And then obviously these tracks will go around as far to the wall as can, just to maximise space if we ever want to do anything. And yeah, so they'll come round and then go back into the tunnel. That actually gives quite an interesting view of the layout through there. And yeah, so the idea is for then we're going to have some points that go there, and then another points, and then this will, it's not much, but it's two little storage lines, and that's to store the 4 CEP and the class 395 Javelin, so they'll fit in there nicely. So yeah, just got to order a bit of flexi track and some points, and then that should be getting done. Right, hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll get into the running session now.